What is going on? So, we are here to break the 2021 or 2020-21 NHL Artifacts box. I have 3 of them, but I'm probably going to do 3 separate videos because I hate my voice, and we'll see how it goes. I know there's been some QC issues from a lot of the stuff that I've been hearing. So hopefully I don't get screwed too bad here. And obviously, if you see all my stuff in the background there, you can see exactly what I'm hoping for. And kind of just hoping for the best. Hoping for a little Laffy luck. And I have my TV volume down, but you know, hopefully we have some Always Sunny fans checking this out, see how it goes. And here it is. Let's start these artifacts. Looks like there's something in here, potentially. We've got Max Domi base card. We've got a Jake Gensel base card. And we got a beautiful Jack Eichel Orem. Not bad for a first insert. See that. Okay. All right. Well, with one insert, hopefully that means this is one of those lucky boxes that has several. All right. We've got a Jack Hughes base. We've got a Pekka Rinne base card. And a Keith Yandle base card. Let's move these. We got a beautiful Nathan MacKinnon out of 299. That's pretty sweet. Gotta love some Mac, man. All right. And we are off, guys. 2 packs in. And about 6 to go. Alrighty. We got Timo Meier base. Philip Grubauer base. Oh, we got something there. And that's going to be a Threads of Time Sergei Bobrovsky. It's a pretty cool little jersey card. Let's pop that in the sleeve here. I promise as time goes on and I do more of these, I'll get better at it. But not exactly my forte here. So we got Evgeny Malkin base card. We've got Anders Lee base card. We've got a Victor Olofsson base card. And then we have a beautiful Gabe Vilardi out of 99, a double patch. That's pretty. That is very pretty. Excellent. That right. right. Next one, we've got Carter Hart. Oop. Looks like there's something there too. Dominic Kubalik. Braden Shen. Base cards. And an Artifacts. Mikey Anderson. 12 out of 20. 12/20, my birthday. That's pretty great. Very nice. So far, I'm liking the product. First time going through Artifacts, as I'm again relatively new to collecting. The guy in the back, Mr. Lafrenière, there is the reason for my obsession. Also throw a shout out to my boy Eli, because he's the person whose videos got me into doing this. So, you know, shout out Eli. What up, what up? We've got an Anthony Manta base card. We've got a Rasmus Dahlin base card. Is this one all base? We got Sean Monahan base. And we have a retro rookie redemption, number 3. That's exciting. I'm not entirely sure what that means, but I do know that that is probably going to be pretty sweet. Curious. Very, very cool. See how that goes in just a little while. Get that all taken care of and see what it is. We got 2 more packs left from this package. Let's see. Let's hope for something magical, even though, you know, the box has been pretty good thus far. We've got ourselves a Tom Wilson base. We've got a Freddie Anderson base. A Seth Jones base. And an Alex DeBrincat out of 299. Very nice. Awesome. So far, so good. So far, so good. All right. And we are down to our last pack of Artifacts from box numero uno. All right, we've got ourselves an Alex DeBrincat base, a Semyon Varlamov base, and a Ryan Getzlaf base, and the last insert here is a Nico Hischier out of 299. A very nice card. I dig the green with the gold. Not exactly a fan of the Devils, but I'll take it. A hit is a hit is a hit. All right, so let's do a quick little review on our hits and see what we got from our first box of 2020-2021 Artifacts. We've got Nico Hischier, New Jersey Devil. We've got Alex DeBrincat, numbered out of 299. We've got a rookie Artifacts, Mikey Anderson of the LA Kings, 12 out of 20. We've got Threads of Time, Sergei Bobrovsky of the Columbus Blue Jackets, which now I'm pretty sure is outdated, but, you know, hey, it is what it is. The beautiful gold Aurum of Jack Eichel. The numbered Nathan McKinnon out of 299. Love that one. We've got our rookie Artifacts, Gabe Vilardi. And then we got our retro rookie redemption. Oof. I'm so anxious to see what that ends up being. That's it for this one. And we'll be back for box number 2 in just a couple moments. You guys have a good day and be safe.